Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Installing a water heater is no average DIY project. You must have plumbing, electrical, heating and ventilating and carpentry skills, know state and local building codes, obtain a permit for the work and arrange with your municipality for an inspection of the work. 9 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In a nutshell, a handyman is just that. Someone who can do almost any job in and around a home is a handyman. Plumbing: a handyman can replace a heating element in a hot water heater, install a new hot water heater, repair a toilet's internal fixtures, replace a dishwasher or replace a trash compactor. 25 April 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Permits address potential safety concerns of an improperly installed water heater. Water heater: if a water heater is installed without the necessary temperature and pressure relief valve, the pressure could build up and cause an explosion. 12 June 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Q. Should I have a professional install my water heater? It's recommended that you have your water heater installed by an experienced professional. Lowe uses independent installers that are background checked and insured. All installations are backed by a 1-year warranty on labor.
Let's help you make your mark.
A 50-gallon tank averages between $795 and $2,800 for the unit and installation, depending on different variables. Is your water heater failing or leaking? There's more to consider beyond water heater prices. Installing a new water heater can be dangerous, so it's best to hire a licensed plumber.
Take our lead.
The Home Depot partners with local, licensed and insured professionals to help homeowners choose the right water heater for their home. If you live within 30 miles of a Home Depot store and call us before noon at 1-800-HOME-DEPOT, our team offers same-day installation at no additional charge.
Take our lead.
The cost of a plumber ranges from $175 to $450 for a typical job, with the average cost per hour ranging from $45 to $200. This can include jobs like repairing faucets, toilets, sinks or bathtubs. Depending on the job, some plumbers charge a flat rate, or service fee of $300 on average.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.